guys, welcome to me and Layla's channel. Today we're going to be making slime, which we already have the glue in it.
Because we're trying to still take this glue out. We want to
We've been taking forever, so we will show you the ingredients.
Because we were just making a video and then
we got too worried on our other slimes to show you.
We're going to show you those on the play with them.
So we are going to use some glue, which we're already putting in. Shaving cream regular for 99 cents at the 99-cent store. $1 for this can.
We love this kind of shaving cream.
Yes, it is so amazing. Then now we have some equate, contact solution to make that's our what do you call it? Activator, and then we're gonna make our slime some orange.
Ooh, I'm getting it all out.
Our spoons for both of us. And so yeah.
I think that's enough for right now.
Let me see. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's enough.
Okay.
Okay.
So then I'm gonna pour in some of these.
No, let's do the shaving cream first, right? You think so? Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit, like.
Not too much because last time it was way too. We're not trying to make it too fluffy. You know what I mean? And it's supposed to look like marshmallows, of course. Yes,
marshmallow.
Like marshmallow, spread. So
You mean marshmallow
this one's too
liquidy.
So yeah, make it look like that. I know it does not look like. It won't be. It looks.
Do you need to tape them? Do you need to tape
It
them?
looks. It doesn't.
Wait, no, yes. I don't know.
Yeah, so they won't get out. I think the good idea is just does not look like slime right now. It looks like just regular stuff. But once you add this, it will start working, and we'll show you that.
Okay, we need the one that's left.
I don't think we should put any of this. Y'all can. I'm just showing y'all. Mine is neon color. It's like the pinkish. I don't think we're gonna put that much orange. Here, let me do this one.
Oh.
So yeah, I think we should not
Look how the orange is.
right. We shouldn't put any of the food sparkles because it's gonna make it look too weird.
That's what happened
Orange
to our
and
pink slime.
Yeah, it looked way too weird.
And
I
I
added like a lot. I added like almost the whole thing.
I get to put that in.
Amanda,
So we're almost about to have enough time.
Your mom's in.
I have a
So my mom's on the phone.
item. Actually, there's two items that
So
I
you're
sold.
done.
It's supposed to look orangey,
She
marshmallowy.
put both of them in her cart, and it created like one order.
Let me just mix it a little bit.
And
It looks
so
yellow.
I was going
Let's
to
add a little
ship them
more.
separately.
Can I mix it?
And it wouldn't let me. And I've tried whenever.
I'll put
was
it
a
in and you can mix
tea set,
it.
And I noticed on
Okay,
the
there.
handle of one of them that it is the glaze.
We're making
gone.
the
It's
little
kinda chipped
Orangey
off.
slime because that
So I
looks
was
too yellow.
messaging her to say, oh,
You're
I
gonna make it-
apologize, but
Oh,
I
you know
noticed
what we
that
can
there's
call it?
glaze
Butter
on the tea set.
cheese line.
On one of the handles, there's
Or
a
sunshine slime.
Look, like nacho cheese looks this color.
So I've sent
Nacho
her
cheese
another
slime, yeah.
message,
It's gonna be
and I
kind of
still
fluffy.
haven't heard
So I'm
from
gonna go ahead and
her,
put
but
some of
then
this
next time
equate
I get the notification that
in
I'm
here so
delayed
that we
shipping
could go ahead
the
and do it.
item.
So let me go
So I
ahead.
went ahead to
Little
ship
bit.
the item because she bought a mug set.
Not
and
yet.
a
It's not
teapot
supposed to work
set.
that much.
Well, it wouldn't let me just ship one item, and it automatically put the tracking number for both items in under both items, and I was trying to remove it from the item
Add
that I
some more
didn't
shaving
ship, and it won't let me. So she won't.
And if it doesn't work that much, then you need some shaving cream. Just saying, that's a good idea.
I did ship it, but it looks like both items
I'm gonna
were
be right
shipped,
back.
but they weren't.
Okay, Timothy?
So I tried to go get my dog, but it didn't work. Is it working?
But my concern is that it shows that I shipped the item that I didn't ship, and I don't want that.
Why shaving cream?
Let me try it. Oh, go get that lotion. You. Okay, fine. And I'll mix the lotion up
You gotta shake it up.
The lotion does work.
Shaky. A slime.
Be out of it.
No, we're not. We have a lot left.
The shaving cream, like literally.
No, we have a lot left. Wait.
Here, let me mix it.
Getting thicker.
Okay, guys, so it's about to work. It doesn't take that long to make slime, just saying. It does take a lot of mixing, but
That's what happened to our other slime.
it did take a lot of mixing, just saying.
More lotion.
You want to see it? You put more if you want.
Just put a little bit, like that much.
You put 2 at a time.
Okay, then mix. And then this next time is my turn. Okay, you're done.
No, not yet. I think we need a lot of this. Because I think that...
Can I mix now?
Let's make sure that we could get it how it's supposed
You
to.
just named it. Okay. Let me try to like. Mix.
How about we add a little slime to it?
No. Oh, no. Ow, sorry.
Here, let me see it. I think it's just liquid.
Yes, the shaving cream. That's helping it. Yes.
Yes, guys, it is helping. This shaving cream, we just bought it for 99 cents at the 99 cent store.
The 99 cent
Look
store
how
has-
big it is. Look how big it is.
It's so sticky.
And yes, it will be sticky because we still have not kneaded it. And you will need to knead it in a couple minutes. So just saying. Yes. See, look at that slime. Now our videos will be called the Slime Experts.
Because we're doing slime so well now.
And we are not spending our money, and we have enough money for all the slime ingredients, just saying. We are going to buy our own some of this so that we could,
Her mom is letting use her contact lens.
yeah, and look, we only have that much left.
And that's a lot because we don't use a lot of that.
You don't need that much just for it. We're gonna add a little more of this.
Make it unsticky. Guys,
Here, let me try it.
it's so liquidy.
Oh, guys. Okay, so in a little bit, whenever it stops sticking to the side of the bowl, that means it's ready to put your hands in and actually take it out. And that's why I'm about to go get my tray table. Here, let me try. So she's gonna go get the tray table while I mix
I'm
it.
gonna go get my napkins.
Okay.
Wait, let me try to.
Oh,
Ooh.
this is hard. This is hard, guys. Okay.
I will do it for her since I teached her how to make slime.
She did more because
No, slime getting on the table.
that's what I call a mess. That's why I want this.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Don't make fun of us. Just saying.
We are trying not to make a mess. Just saying.
We're just.
We do not want a mess because it takes forever to clean up. Last time it looked, and we are out of glue. Just saying. So we do need to go.
We
to
have
the
to
store
hurry
to
up and make this. I'm glad I didn't have to go to that game.
Yeah, 'cause this.
I would be embarrassed.
So why does he even go?
Hmm?
Why does he even go to the game if he doesn't play?
This is his first time. He used to play in high school.
Is it fun, Timothy?
That looks boring over there.
So over there in the background, he's putting stuff in the Easter egg.
He's just alone. After we're done with this, I'm gonna
Because
go
he said I
help
want to do my own thing, and he's probably gonna get mad at you if you do it.
him.
I think he's gonna get mad.
You want me
at
to
you.
help you after? Okay.
I think he is
That
gonna
said
get
no.
mad.
He said
He
no.
said no. We don't want to mess him up. And I think we're gonna call this Cloud Nacho Cheese.
Wait. It's 9
is gonna
minutes
be
right
cool.
now. It's 9 minutes.
Sorry, but we are gonna have to make it. Well, we have a couple more seconds. Yeah, we do. We need to hurry, guys, so we don't mess up our video.
I'll mix with my hands.
Go ahead and take it out.
No, mix, I said. Mix.
No, like take it out of here and so neat and so we're already finished. So it is coming out the bowl and it is working. We are gonna
Shaving cream. Shaving cream. Shaving cream.
is going to be extra fluffy cloud. So it's gonna be called cloud nacho cheese.
You need to get your hands dirty. Hands dirty.
I am going to have to eat this, guys.
I'm not doing most of the work.
So it is a little too cloudy. You know what I mean?
Too sticky?
Yeah.
So I'm going to try to put this on the table, guys.
I'm about to go wash my hands. Oh, hold on. I am still going to help you. Just saying.
Sorry, guys, for the mess. Get away, get away, get away, get off, get off, get off. Getting a little too stringy over here.
So I'm going to have to tell you that's how we're going to end our video. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
We're going to post it.
Yeah, we are going to post this. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. And I hope you liked our video. Bye.